Welcome in Inspiring English Academy. You have successfully been enrolled for Business English Expressions with Vocabulary.
Short. Now come up short. What is the meaning of come up short? To come up short means to try to achieve something but fail. We often say that someone has come up short when someone fails to achieve a goal but not completely. So come up short, it means थोड़े से चूकना. That is called come up short. The charity fundraiser was supposed to raise $30 lakh, but we came up short. $30 million, but we came up short. Charity fund जुटाने को $30 million जुटाना था, लेकिन हम थोड़े से चूक गए. Come up short means थोड़े से चूकना. Understand? My friend wanted to raise 100 crore rupees for his startup company, but he came up short. But he just raised 95 crore rupees and he came up short. Just repeat after me, everybody. This is not a listening class. This is a speaking class. So please repeat after me. Everybody. Please repeat after me. My friend wanted to raise 100 crore rupees for his startup company, but he just raised 95 crore rupees and he came up short. Okay. The Indian cricket team was supposed to win 3 World Cup trophies, but it came up short. But Indian cricket team came up short. It means we could win only 1 World Cup. That is came up short. Okay. My friend was supposed to get 80% in his 12th exam, but he came up short. Okay. I wanted to buy 1 crore rupees flat, but I did not get a loan and I came up short. All right. So come up short, it means थोड़े से चूकना. That is called come up short. It means we supposed to achieve a big thing, but थोड़े से चूकना. That is called come up short. Now next, corner a market. What is the meaning of corner a market? To corner a market, it means to dominate a particular market. It means बाजार पर छा जाना. What is the meaning of corner a market? बाजार पर छा जाना या बाजार को कब्जा करना. It means see, अपने इससे बाजार को कब्जा करना, इतना प्रचार करना कि बाजार उसके हाथ में आ जाए. That is called corner a market. Okay, just repeat after me, everybody. Apple has cornered the market on MP3 players. They have a large percentage of market share. Okay, Apple ने MP3 players पर बाजार में कब्जा कर लिया है और उनके पास बाजार हिस्सेदारी का एक बड़ा प्रतिशत है. Understand? So that is called corner a market. Nowadays, Adanis have cornered the Indian market, and Mr. Gautam Adani is going to become the richest person in the world. अभी अडानी बंधुओं ने इंडियन मार्केट पर इतना कब्जा कर लिया है कि वे अभी विश्व के सबसे श्रीमंत व्यक्ति बनने जा रहे हैं. That is called corner a market. Ambani has cornered a mobile market in India. अंबानी जी ने जियो चला करके मोबाइल का मार्केट पर कब्जा कर लिया है, मोबाइल के मार्केट पर कब्जा कर लिया है। इंस्पायरिंग इंग्लिश एकेडमी हैज कॉर्नर्ड अ मार्केट इन इंग्लिश स्किल्स। इन इंग्लिश स्किल्स, इंग्लिश स्किल्स में इंस्पायरिंग इंग्लिश एकेडमी ने मार्केट पर, बाजार पर कब्जा कर लिया है। ओनली द क्वालिटी एजुकेशन ऑफ इंस्पायरिंग एकेडमी हैज कॉर्नर्ड अ मार्केट ऑफ इंग्लिश स्टूडेंट्स। क्वालिटी एजुकेशन के कारण ही इंस्पायरिंग इंग्लिश एकेडमी का स्टूडेंट की वजह से मार्केट पर कब्जा मिल गया है। दैट इज कॉर्नर्ड द मार्केट, कॉर्नर्ड द मार्केट। If you want to achieve big, then you need to think about, just repeat after me everybody, very, very beautiful sentences, very important sentences, professional sentences, professional sentences. If you want to achieve big, then you need to think about cornering a market. You need to think about cornering a market. It means आपको यदि बड़ा सोच रखते हो और आपको यदि बड़ा बनना है तो आपको बाजार पर कब्जा पाने की सोचनी चाहिए, बाजार पर कब्जा पाने की सोचनी चाहिए। I think Indian government, I think Indian businessmen should corner an international market. I repeat, please repeat after me everybody. I think Indian businessmen should corner an international market. मतलब इंडियन बिजनेसमैन को इंटरनेशनल मार्केट पर छा जाना चाहिए। That is called cornering a market, cornering a market. Now next word, very important words. These words are going to be very useful to understand American clients, British clients, and to understand and to make your present English effective and fluent. So cut corners. What is the meaning of cut corners? Cut corner, it means to take shortcuts and find an easier or cheaper way to do something. So कट कॉर्नर्स मतलब क्या होता है? शॉर्टकट्स लेकर के कोई चीज कम दाम में सरल तरीके से बनाना। शॉर्टकट्स लेकर के, इट मींस उसको जल्दी से जल्दी बेचना है, कम से कम दामों में बेचना है, इसलिए शॉर्टकट्स लेकर के कोई चीज कम दाम में सरल तरीके से बनाना, उसको बोलते हैं कट कॉर्नर्स। ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू एन एग्जांपल। जस्ट रिपीट आफ्टर मी, एवरीबॉडी रिपीट आफ्टर मी। दिस इज नॉट अ लिसनिंग क्लास, दिस इज अ स्पीकिंग क्लास। Please repeat after me everybody. We don't cut corners on our luxury products. हम अपने लग्जरी उत्पादों पर कोई शॉर्टकट्स या कम दाम में नहीं बनाते हैं। Understand? We don't cut corners on our luxury products. We don't cut corners on our luxury products. Chinese products always cut corners on every products in the market. On every products in the market. Chinese products cut corners or Chinese merchants cut corners on every products in the market. Chinese businessmen वो शॉर्टकट्स लेकर के कोई भी चीज कम दाम में सरल तरीके से मार्केट में लाते हैं। Now next, just repeat after me. This is not a listening class. This is going to be a speaking class. Repeat after me everybody. Chinese businessmen always bring new technologies in the market, and they cut corners in the market, so that is called cut corners. Cut corners means shortcuts लेकर के कोई चीज बना। See, if you want to become rich in short time, repeat after me everybody, very, very useful sentence. If you want to become rich in short time, you need to know how to cut corners. Very important sentence, very important sentence. If you want to, now I will use two idioms. If you want to corner an Indian market, you need to know how to cut corners in the Indian market. How to cut corners in the market. Alright, so cut corners, it means shortcuts लेकर के कोई चीज कम दाम में सरल तरीके से बनाना. That is cut corners. One second, I'm going to tell you one more sentence. If you want to become rich in short time, you should know how to cut corners. How to cut corners. It means how to cut corners in the industry. यदि आपको कम समय में अमीर बनना है तो आपको ये ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा कि मार्केट में शॉर्टकट्स लेकर के कम दामों में सरल तरीके से प्रोडक्ट्स कैसे बनाते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड कट कॉर्नर्स. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज cut one's losses. Cut one's losses. To cut one's losses means to stop doing something that is unproductive and won't ever generate results. Okay, cut one's losses it means नुकसान में कटौती करना. I think this is very important word because nowadays after pandemic situation everybody is cutting their losses. Okay, I'm going to repeat this sentence. After this, in this pandemic situation, all the businessmen are cutting their losses. It means इस pandemic situation में सभी businessmen अपने नुकसान में कटौती कर रहे हैं. अब स्वयं खुद को नुकसान से बचा रहे हैं. Cut one's losses means खुद को नुकसान से बचाना, नुकसान में कटौती करना. That is cut one's losses. So advertising campaign was expensive and not showing results, so we cut our losses. विज्ञापन अभियान बहुत महंगा था और कुछ रिजल्ट नहीं दे रहा था, इसलिए हमने उसकी नुकसान में कटौती की. इट मीन्स एडवर्टाइजिंग कैंपेन को रोक दिया. ओके, इन कोरोना पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन all the businessmen have cut their losses and fired their employees. मतलब इस कोरोना पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन में सभी बिजनेसमैन ने अपने एम्प्लॉइज को फायर करके निकाल करके नुकसान में कटौती की है. If you are running, very important sentence, please repeat after me everybody. This is not a listening class, this is a speaking class. So please repeat after me. If you are running a failed business, you need to stop working to cut your losses. यदि आप एक अयशस्वी बिजनेस चला रहे हो तो आपको उसे स्टॉप करना चाहिए और नुकसान में कटौती करना चाहिए. Understand? If you are buying flop shares, then you need to sell those shares to cut your losses. यदि आप फ्लॉप शेयर खरीद रहे हो तो आपको उनको जल्दी से जल्दी बेचना चाहिए ताकि आप नुकसान से बच सके. Now last word, this is very important word, that is cutthroat. It means it is used to describe something that is very intense, aggressive and merciless. Like cutthroat, it means तीव्र प्रतिस्पर्धा होना, कांटे की टक्कर होना. That is called cutthroat. In business school, the competition was cutthroat. बिजनेस स्कूल में कांटे की टक्कर थी. So cutthroat it means कांटे की टक्कर होना. Nowadays in every sector there is a cutthroat competition due to overpopulation. Nowadays in every sector there is cutthroat competition. अति लोक संख्या के कारण आजकल सभी क्षेत्र में तीव्र प्रतिस्पर्धा है. For civil services there is a cutthroat competition all over the nation. पूरे राष्ट्र में सिविल सर्विसेज के लिए सबसे ज्यादा कांटे की टक्कर होती है. If you are not accustomed to cutthroat competitions, then you will never get success in your life. यदि आप अपने जीवन में कांटे की टक्कर से यदि आप सहमत नहीं हो या कांटे की टक्कर नहीं ले सकते हो तो आप कभी भी इस जीवन में सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो सकते हो. It was a cutthroat competition in my college, so I started studying. Very simple sentence. It was a cutthroat competition in my college, so I started studying. मेरे कॉलेज में कांटे की टक्कर थी, इसलिए मैंने पढ़ाई करना चालू किया. I wanted to be a topper in my college. I wanted to be a topper in my college, but it was not easy for me because it was a cutthroat competition in the college. मेरे कॉलेज में मैं टॉपर बनना था, लेकिन वो बहुत सरल नहीं था क्योंकि वहां बहुत ही कांटे की टक्कर थी. Nowadays in Olympics, the matches are very tough and there is a cutthroat competition between the athletes. Okay, अभी ओलंपिक्स में बहुत सारे खिलाड़ी स्पर्धा में है और उन सभी के बीच में बहुत ही कांटे की टक्कर चल रही है. There were cutthroat matches between India and Pakistan before some years ago. There were cutthroat matches in India and Pakistan 10 years ago. 10 साल के पहले इंडिया और पाकिस्तान में बहुत सारे कांटे के टक्कर वाली मैचेस थी. In this way we have talked about 20 business English expressions with vocabulary, and I want to assure you that these 20 vocabulary expressions will make you understand the American clients and British clients, and it will help you to understand them. So it was the first presentation we completed. Now we are going to start the next presentation.